Under North Carolina law, even a first offense driving while impaired charge could result in 30 days of active jail sentence. I'm Clarke Dummit with Dummit Fradin, and we'll be walking through what the ramifications are for a first offense DWI. Most first offense DWIs don't have any grossly aggravating factors, so we balance out the mitigating and aggravating, and we try to get you down to a level 5, which is a non-active sentence. In evaluating a first offense, let me take one of my clients but make it anonymous, and we'll call her Jane. Jane had a good driving record. She'd had one minor speeding ticket, but that was all. On this night, the officer pulled her over merely because there was a tag light out on her license plate. She was cooperative with the officer but failed the field sobriety tests. When taken downtown, she blew a .10, a 10. It's not especially high, but it's clearly over the limit. Jane was mainly worried about sentencing. In this situation, she had a safe driving record under the statute, which is a mitigating factor. She also had safe and lawful driving. There was just a tag light out. In addition, we made certain that Jane went and got an alcohol assessment done prior to court. So already we've lined up 3 mitigating factors that helped reduce her sentencing. In this situation, there were no aggravating factors. There was no especially reckless driving. There wasn't an especially high breath test. So there were no factors which aggravated. Therefore, she was sentenced as a level 5. So let's talk about level 5 sentencing. She received a 30-day jail sentence, but it was suspended with no active time in jail. She was put on probation for 18 months, but it's unsupervised, so she didn't have a probation officer or anyone she needed to check in with. She lost her driver's license for 1 year, but we were able to get limited driving privileges that very day so she could drive home from the courthouse. She also had fines and costs that added up to about $800. This included the community service fee and limited driving privilege fees, all wrapped into one payment to the court system. The last 2 requirements that she got under level 5 was that she had to do 24 hours of community service. She also had to complete some alcohol classes. With each one of these things done, the case is behind her and she's able to drive home from court. In most DWI first offenses, there aren't any grossly aggravating factors, but if there were children in the car, you could jump to mandatory active jail time. Contact our firm and we'll walk you through what you're looking at, anywhere from a level 5 up to an aggravated level 1, but we can discuss the ramifications and exactly what this means.